the video, you are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP EliteBook 2760 out here. A very interesting model, an interesting gadget, as well as we can say that it's actually a different variant out here as compared to EliteBook entire series. A gadget designed for both purpose uses, corporate as well as home uses. It was designed for both the purpose, not any one purpose. It offers you Intel vPro technology. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a security chip system of trusted platform modulars. Yes, there's a trusted platform modulars out here. TPM 1.2 security chip system could be seen in this variant. Apart from that, you get to see that this variant out here offers you a good range of specifications, great spectrums out there. Everything is really great. Apart from that, you can see that it's a detachable kind of a gadget, a very interesting and a different kind of a gadget out there. Apart from that, when we talk about this gadget, then it offers you Intel Core i5. Yes, it offers you Intel Core i5 up to second generation actually. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you max turbo speed of 3.2 gigahertz. Max turbo speed of 2.3 gigahertz could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this offers you a clock speed of 2.5 gigahertz. So this could also be seen. Overall, if we talk about this variant, then it has got a chip system of mobile Intel QM67 Express. This kind of mobile system, chip system, is used for the old models out there definitely, but this is really a good version. Apart from that, it offers you Intel Turbo Boost technology 2. Yes, Intel Boost technology to be seen out here. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the memory also, because memory plays an important role. And talking about the memory, then we can say that memory out there in the cache memory, RAM, storage, everything it differs out. Talking about the cache memory, then it has got L3 cache type memory of 3 MB. L3 cache memory of 3 MB could be seen out. Along with that, you can say that RAM is a good variant out here, not a bad variant, offering you a RAM quality of 4 GB. It offers you 4 GB RAM. Along with that, it offers you a configuration of a single slot configuration. If we talk about this RAM quality, RAM type, what kind of RAM it is using? It uses DDR3 RAM type, which is giving a memory speed of 1333 megahertz. So this could be seen out here, 1333 megahertz. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, then you can see that there is a maximum support size or the expandable maximum support size offered out, which is approximately 16 GB. Yes, it is 16 GB maximum support size offered out in this variant. You also get to see that this variant out here offers you two slots. Because of that, you can have an expandable or the maximum support size. If we talk about the RAM, then we cannot neglect out the hard drive storage, because hard drive also plays important role, and in fact the major storage part is in the hard drive. Talking about the hard drive, it offers you HDD type hard drive and offers you 720 RPM spindle speed. Since it offers you HDD type hard drive, so spindle speed is mandatory. Offering you 7,200 RPM, it offers you a capacity of 32 like this is 320 GB, like 3200 GB, like 320 GB storage. 320 GB storage could be seen out actually. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the harsh environmental factors which gives us the optimization of this gadget. Talking about this gadget, then we can say that HP has designed mostly its gadget keeping in mind the harsh environmental factors, whether it's humid, shock tolerance, or the temperature out there, any kind of harsh conditions out there. The gadget plays an important role out there and plays a very good functionality. It plays a very good output. It gives a good optimum work out there in these hard condition also. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then it offers you a screen size of 30.7 centimeters. 30.7 centimeters screen size out here. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you LED backlight display and anti-glance ultra wide angle. So you get to see a good display type, LED backlight, anti-glance is there, ultra wide viewing angle. If we talk about the resolution, then it offers you VXGA type resolution, which is a weak resolution, not a HD resolution out there. But yes, definitely we can say it's a okay resolution out there. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the graphical part also, because every gadget plays a multimedia or any output is developed due to graphics only. Talking about the graphical part, we can say that it offers you Intel HD Graphics 3000. Intel HD Graphics 3000 is, if offered out on this gadget, then it is definitely going to have a memory technology. So it offers you dynamic video memory technology inbuilt in it. You get to have a very good technology out there. Apart from that, our integrated webcam is seen along with stereotype microphones and stereotype speakers out there for the sound quality and the volume out there, or the speaker purpose out there. It also offers you SRM premium sound quality. So this kind of sound quality could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, it offers you a keypad with a DigiPen, digitalizer, keypad, touchpad, touch screen. So overall, you can say that this is a very interesting variant to work with. होम पर्पस के लिए भी अच्छा है, कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के लिए भी अच्छा है. As well as you get to have a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and Bluetooth class 2 could be seen out in this variant. You will find that it does not offers you any optical drive technology, but offers you other connectivities like USB connectivity, SD card reading connectivity. You get to audio input output jack connectivity, power connectivity, every kind of connectivity could be seen, except the optical drive, that is the DVD write-ups. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the battery life also. Offering you 6-cell battery life of lithium ions, it offers you a good battery life of approximately 5 to 6 hours. Yes, the battery life is slightly weak, but yes, overall it's a good variant out there to be used. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing also. This is the website which is justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com offers you great pricing, great specifications, and great gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. You get to have your gadgets in a pocket friendly rate. Apart from that, it allows you to customize your gadgets according to the need. If it's possible, yes, if it's possible, then you can customize your gadgets. So let us search about this gadget in this search icon. So this is the result, and we can see there is a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. Along with that, you get to see that there is a condition written that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and let us know about the refurbished product itself. Talking about these refurbished products, or what is actually refurbished product all about, then, and what does refurbishing brand new products look like? So we are going to talk about that now. Talking about the word refurbished, when we say refurbished, then we can say that refurbished means creating something new, like, or creating something from the old things. Yes, like they are absolutely same as brand new. Their design is same, the structurality is same, even the functionalities, everything is same out there. So you get to see that they offer you same kind of we can say functionality differences out there. No difference out there actually. There is no much difference in refurbished and brand new. Now, when we talk about these two products, then what are the major differences involved in this? Because if they are structurally same, they are same in functionalities, they have same design, they have same testers, everything is same. Then why is a name given as refurbished, or why the word refurbished is introduced for that? Then we can say that the word refurbished is introduced because it provides, or it has a thing or a main difference out there, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? It is pre-owning anything. Initially, what happens in brand new products, they are pre-owned by the company itself before releasing into the market. So definitely company owns it. That is not pre-owned, that is owned it. Whereas once a gadget is released in the market, then it is being used by a new user, then it is called as pre-owned gadget. So let us talk about this marketplace also and how this pre-organization works. Then we can say that there is a pathway followed out, which is the base, mediator, and the consumer out there. This is just like normal pathway, start to end. Talking about brand new, then we can say that company owns every gadget. Company owns it. So it is does this thing that it owns it, then brings out in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget. It provides you that kind of functionality. And when we talk about this kind of a gadget, then we can say that it offers you a great range of production. Now, how does it happen? It happens in the way like you have that gadget in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadgets functionalities out there. You get to see that the gadget is in the marketplace with different pricing. Everything is there. Then gadget is owned by any user, like us. We are the users. After that, what happens is this is the ending of brand new. Yes, brand new ends there. What happens is that now the gadget is owned by a user that wants to resell it. So this is an extension of brand new. We can say there is an extension of brand new. Now it wants to be resold. So what happens when it is being resold? It is brought up in the marketplace. Yes, it is brought up where it has to be resold, and then it is sold to another user, a new user out there. Talking about this, then we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products, they are extension to each other. How? How they are extension? Like we can say that when a user sells off their gadget, their pre-owned gadget in the marketplace, that is the brand new product till then. But once it is resold to that marketplace, it becomes a different product. The brand new ends over there itself when it is owned. So now there is a testing also done because every gadget needs to be done in the testing format. It need to have a testing out there. So what happens is the testing has to be done for the brand new. If we talk about, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the testing has to be done in not other format, but in a simple format where the company tests this out, where sites test that gadget out. So you get to see different sites out there. But for refurbished or for pre-owned gadgets, testing has to be done in within the website which resells it. Yes, the site which we sold our gadget to, or which is going to resell that gadget, that has to test that gadget again. So this ends over the pathway out there. Uh, Talking about this pathways and testing out there, so let us talk about the testing parameters also, because structurally if they are same, functionality is same, so testers out there has to be same, which determines their structurality, functionalities, everything. Talking about these structures, talking about structuralities and everything, then we can say that there are actually two major parameters which are divided or classified, that are external and internal parameters. Now, when we talk about external parameters, then we say the external parameters are the parameters which can be seen through eyes, which does not require any kind of software or any kind of gadgets out there, equipment, robots, that is not required out there for their testing. Like we can test out the scratches, buttons, placement of buttons, power, uh, jack systems out there, display, screen size, proper working on off buttons out there, timing out there. So these things which can be checked out through our eyes, which does not require any gadget out there. So this is what happens in the external parameters. Once it crosses the external parameter, it comes to the internal parameters, which are quite complicated because these are the internal elements, and these elements require nothing else but a specially designed software for it, or equipments are there. There are few small gadgets devices or for any other things out there required for this. Once these gadgets are defined, like what kind of parameters it includes, so we can say that includes the internal processor out there, chip system, CPU, cache memory, RAM, hard drive, what kind of hard drive it uses, the spindle speeds out here, the rated memory speed, the clock speed out there, even the connectivities, or we can say that every small big elements like graphic processor out there, graphical integrated webcam out there. So everything which is included out there is seen in this internal parameters. Once it crosses the internal parameters and external, it is certified as refurbished. But what would happen if it fails in any of the parameter, any one of the parameters? Then it has to be rectified. If it is, it can be renewed, it can be replaced. Then it has to be replaced with the original product itself. So once it is replaced with the original product, it is refurbished, it is renewed out there. uh, it provides you a good quality product actually. After it is refurbished, it provides a good quality product, great servicing out there, a good to use product. But still there are few benefits of having a refurbished product, because if you are talking about refurbished, then what are the major advantages of having a refurbished product? Number one would be the pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates for your gadgets. Talking about refurbished products, then we can say that refurbished products provides you a pocket friendly rate. They provide you a cost effective, pocket friendly, and a good to have gadgets in a pocketable rates. Because we know that brand new products are actually expensive. Once they are released in the market, they are quite expensive out there. Now, since there is a difference in the pricing out there, there's a difference in pricing, and there is not a major difference, but yes, there is a difference out there. So you get to have a savings also. You can have a great savings, because since there is a difference in pricing, there is difference in the conditions out there. So you get to see that there is a difference in the savings also for you. But I all know that brand new products comes with a warranty period. But do pre-owned gadgets offer you warranty period is a big question out there. So talking about the warranty period, then we can say that it comes with 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, this offers you 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy out there. Along with that, you also get to see that they are offering you great advantages out there, along with profitable rates, savings. So talking about this kind of product, let us talk about the website once again. And talking about the website, we are back at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com. A very interesting website out here. The name itself suggests just at a click. So you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. As we already know that this website offers you customization option. We already know that gadgets could be customized, especially the laptops out there could be customized according to the needs. So it offers you customization option, as well as this site offers you COD out here all over UAE. Apart from that, you get to have an hassle-free shopping, since it's an online website where you can shop out there. So it's a hassle-free shopping nowadays. Along with that, free home delivery and money back guarantee along with online support system is provided out here. You get to have a delivery time of approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time might take up to Saudi. But depending upon your customization, it might vary accordingly. For best pricing, check out the website out there, as well as you can visit out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.